So Tamara and I went to this geyser outside of Rotorua, New Zealand today, and as we were waiting for it to shoot off, I told her about when I was a kid. We went to Old Faithful, and one of my neighbors had an old steering wheel, and he went and planted it in the ground and pretended like he was turning on the Old Faithful geyser. So I thought it was funny. I was like, oh, wouldn't it be funny if this was man-made? And then a few minutes later, we were told that actually this geyser started because the prisoners who worked in the area were taking a bath near here and accidentally dropped their soap into this geyser, or into like one of these vents, and created the geyser. So this park ranger showed up with a bag and poured soap into it, and a few minutes later we had a geyser. So this geyser is powered by soap and other geothermal activity.
Emaro que itera